Today, I'm going to fish like a girl with my 3-year-old granddaughter. Fish Like a Girl is a charity fishing tournament put on up at the Avon Pier in conjunction with a couple of local area businesses as a fundraiser for a local cancer support group, Hatteras Island Cancer Foundation. It's a ladies only fishing tournament just for fun up at the, like I said, at the Avon Pier. And I'm going to take my 3.5-year-old granddaughter, and we're going to go fish like a girl today and just have some granddaughter papaw time.
We're going to go do fishing.
What kind of fishing?
A big fish.
But what are we going to fish like?
A girl.
Say it all together. What are we going to do? We're going to go
fish like a girl.
Fish like a girl. What'd you catch?
A fish.
What kind of fish?
It's a spiky fish.
A spiky fish?
Oh.
Yeah? You ready? Can you tell me what kind of fish that is? Huh? What kind of fish is that?
I got gray and I got yellow.
Gray and yellow one? Look at your pizza. Was that good pizza? Tell me how good it is.
It's very good.
Very good. Is it thumbs up? Yeah, good job. So a fun time was had by all. My granddaughter didn't win anything. We did catch several fish, several real small pompano and a couple of real small black drum. But nothing close enough. The largest fish was like a 12.5-inch long flounder. So nothing close enough to win or anything, but we had fun, and it was a few hours to just get out and spend time with my granddaughter, and she seemed to really enjoy it too. So thanks for watching, guys. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button down below. Hit that thumbs up to give me a like on this video. It really makes a difference in the way these videos hit on YouTube. So again, thanks for watching, and God bless.